Hi, I'm Alison Walther with Confluent. As much as we'd like to think that once an application is deployed, we're done, we know that's not the case. Business requirements will change, new use cases will evolve, and there may even be a bug or two found at some point. We need to be able to manage changes to our applications, preferably in a way that's easy to automate. For this, we have KSQL migrations. KSQL Migrations is a command line tool that allows us to manage our KSQL DB applications, manually or in a scripted fashion. We can define changes in our KSQL DB artifacts in a text file that can be checked into source control. Then we apply those changes in an ordered sequence to bring our applications up to the current state. Changes are stored in versioned files, and they will be applied in version order, so we can apply all unapplied change files, the next file only, or a range of change files. We can also see the status of all the changes to monitor, which changes have been applied, and which changes are still waiting to be applied. That's it for KSQL migrations.